Alright, we're back and this is video number 2. We're using Flipgrid for virtual learning or virtual learning with Flipgrid. A quick recap of what we did in the first video. So we created our grid. I'm going to go all the way back. So we created a grid. Alright, and a grid is just a classroom. If you didn't get a chance to watch that first video, please go back and watch the first video. I promise it'll be a lot of help, okay? We made it private by adding a password, but now inside of the grid we were able to create units where our instruction or our content's going to be housed, where we're actually teaching the students. Okay, so however you want to do this as a teacher, I kind of picked the topic. I made it topic based. So reading rhythms is a topic. I could have another topic. Maybe reading notation or writing notation or ear training. I could do different topics here, and then inside of the topic you would have videos teaching the students how to do that, and your videos could be in whatever order you want them to be in. Okay, now it's time for us to go ahead and add content. So if you remember, I told you in the last video, whenever you hover over a flip code, we get a chance to view it as a student. We put a password on our classroom or our grid, and you don't have to do that. All right, here we go. So now we're inside the classroom. We have our topics here. So really we have two. We have our generic topic that Flipgrid gives us, and then we have the one that we created for the class. But this is what it would look like if I have 8 topics or 8 units. They would all be here for students to go to and click on their selected topic or what they're looking for. Okay, all right, let's keep rolling. Let's scroll down. I'm the teacher. I'm ready to add content. I'm going to select this big giant plus sign. Now students will never see this. They literally will be at that last screen and they'll select the video they want to watch and hear me teach. But since we're adding content, Flipgrid's asking for this extra layer of security because we're adding the content. All right, and once we do that, now you get to see me. I'm here. Okay, so here's our video. And as you can see, we have a bunch of gadgets here, so you can play around with this stuff. Stickers and text and emojis, all types of stuff you can add to your video. Pretty cool. You can upload a video here. Say you have a video you want to upload instead of recording one here, you could do that. I mean, it's awesome. You have a sticky note. Say you want to jot some notes to help you when you're recording the video, you can do that. And here's your timekeeper. You have 10 minutes in this video to teach, and you can go. All right. A lot of teachers like this feature. Let's see if I can find is it whiteboard? Let's see. Okay, you have a whiteboard here, so you can write on the whiteboard if you need to. And this is all in real time, so it would be as you're recording the video. And I just exited out, so let's go back. Okay. All right, so let's say we're recording. Now I'm recording my video right now. So let's say I'm teaching my content. I'm talking about our very first big note, which is called the quarter note. And the quarter note gets 1 beat. Let's hear what that would sound like. Let's use our hands to demonstrate. Okay, so whatever you want to do. Okay, and I'm just messing around. All right, so when you're done with the video, I'm recording my video right now. So let's say I'm teaching my content. I'm talking about our very first big note, which is called the quarter note. And the quarter note gets 1 beat. Let's hear what that would sound like. Let's use our hands to demonstrate. Okay, so whatever you want to do. Okay, I'm just messing around. All right, so it basically played it back for us. Pretty cool. You can add more, or click here, and you can edit it. So you can trim and edit it. When you're done, hit confirm. It'll play it. All right, you can take a selfie real quick. Here's my selfie. You can add stickers to your selfie if you want. It's to be fun. All right, just kind of have fun with it. You can add glasses, whatever you want to do. Okay, next. Okay, and then you can, now for the display name, it's going to say your name if you want, or you could say Reading Rhythms Video 1, or whatever it is. So say this is learning the quarter note. Okay, and you can leave the rest of that empty. It's all optional. All right, submit video, complete. Your first one's there. My terrible camera quality, forgive that. But this is what the student would see. So the student is here reading rhythms. They see the first video, my horrible selfie. I'm recording my video right now. So this, let's say I'm teaching my content. I'm talking about our very first video. And it's 10 minutes of you giving instruction or however long you want it to be. Okay? That's simple. There could be 6 videos here. And say you've numbered them. When I did this, I could say number 1. Okay? And they would watch them in order. Guys, it's that simple. A powerful way to store video content and make it accessible for your students. Well, I need to show you how we do that piece. So how do we make this accessible for your students? Simple. There's your link. There's your link right there. You can copy that, put it in an email to all parents. All right, kindergarten parents, here's our instruction for the month of May. Please make sure all students, make sure you go to the link and make sure you view the videos in whatever order you want to or as numbered. Okay, but however you want to do that, however you want to, word your email to your parents. You can also do this. You can instruct your parents to go to flipgrid.com and give them this access code, and they'll go to flipgrid.com on a phone, on a tablet, on a computer. It doesn't matter what they use. They can view your content. It is powerful. I will say if they use a mobile device, they'll need the app. The Flipgrid app is free. Okay? So really cool. This is a QR code as well. You could take the QR code and let's go back to the teacher view so we can see another way to share this. Okay? Let's refresh because we have a video in here now. There it is. Okay? So say we want to share this topic, reading rhythms. We can share the QR code and we can send the QR code. Download it and we can send it. However you guys want to do this. All right. And lastly, if you want to share the classroom with all the units there, share QR code or the link. I love Flipgrid. Obviously, you can probably hear it in my voice, but I'm here to help. There's so much to this. There's more you can do with Flipgrid. This is just a simple way to use it as an instructional tool instead of a discussion platform, which is how it's advertised. Please reach out to me. Again, I shared this in the first video, but my name is Bryson Finney. I am a freelance learning technology specialist. If you go to my website, services, learning technology, drop me a line, email me if you want to, or drop a message in this video, a comment. I'd love to support you. I'm here for education. I've taught educators. I've taught in the schools. I've been an educator for 12 years. I was a coach for 3, and in the classroom, elementary for 9. So let me know. I'd love to support you and have fun using Flipgrid.